Hello, Paulson. Today's power topic is what is soil made of? We are going to look into the differences that give soils different properties. The surface of the earth is shielded by a layer of rock. This layer is called the earth's crust. Scientists who examine rocks are called geologists. Geologists study a number of different materials that they call rocks. Below are some pictures of some different kinds of rocks. Soil is made up of small particles of rocks, minerals, bacteria, small animals, fungi, and humus. Humus is the remains of dead plants and animals, and this is sometimes called organic matter. The particles in soil perhaps be different sizes. Sand, for example, the particles of sand are large, while the particles of clay are small. Soil also contains different amounts of humus. These differences give soil different properties. These properties are important for growing crops. This is the structure of sandy soils, and this is the structure of clay soils. As you can see, sandy soils contain a lot of large sand particles. There are big air spaces between the particles, while in clay soils, there are only tiny air spaces between the particles. Some soils allows water to pass through them quickly, while others may hold water for a longer time. These property depends on the composition of the soil. Sandy soils drain very quickly, but soils containing clay particles hold water for a longer time. Drainage of water is important for the survival of crops. Farmers sometimes treat the soil to improve the drainage. This helps them grow the crops. Soils that have poor drainage have particles of sticky clay, which are very small and packed closely together. These particles hold the water and it cannot move. Soils that drain quickly have bigger spaces between the particles, so water drains freely. A farmer could mix more sandy particles into a sticky soil so that the water drains more easily. Humus helps to hold water. A farmer could add more organic matter to a soil that drains very quickly to stop it drying out too quickly.